Assalamualaikum friends, today I will discuss how to fix Discord installation has failed your Windows 10. Right click taskbar, select Task Manager, click File, select Run New File, click Browse, select this PC, double click Local Disk C, double click Windows folder, double click System32, find CMD, open CMD, type the text shown on the screen, click OK. Type the text shown on the screen. Click Enter. Type the text shown on the screen. Click Enter. Type the text shown on the screen. Click Enter. Right click taskbar. Click Task Manager. Select any process related with Discord and click In Task. Right click Start button to select Run. Type %appdata% and click OK. Right click the Discord folder and click Delete. Right click Start button to select Run. Type %local appdata% and click OK. Right click the Discord folder and click Delete. Restart your computer. Open any browser, search google.com. Type Discord download. First download the software from the website. Now install the downloaded file. Thanks for watching.